friends, today we'll see how can we send messages to our SQS using the Postman. So first we'll log into our AWS console and we'll first we need to create a queue. So that to create a queue we first search to SQS here. So we'll open this simple queue services. Now here we have to create a queue. So we just on the right side you will get this create queue option. So we'll just click on the create queue and you can see this there are two types of queue. So first one is the standard and second one is the FIFO. So for now I'm going with the standard one. So I just need to give the name of my queue. So I will give the name to the queue. So we'll simply give the sample queue. And you can see this configuration according to your need you can change it, but for now I'll go with as is. So we'll just click on create queue and after that our queue will be created. To send the messages to this queue we need this URL, so we'll copy it to the notepad. So here and now we have to create a user uh, who can access this queue. So we'll simply search IAM and in this IAM we'll simply click on this users and you can see this create user option. You will just click on this create our user option. Need to give the name to this user. So I'll give it to queue user and simply click on the next. Now you can see the option to set the permission. So we have to set the permission to this user to so that he can so that user can access the SQS. So we'll just simply select this attach policies directly, and in this section you can see the permission policies. You just need to select search SQS here. So you can see the SQS related policies here. So we'll just select Amazon SQS full access. So we are giving the full access to this user. So we just need to hit the next button and this create user button. Now our user is creating. So you can see queue user is created. So for this user how can we access? To access it we just need to create the access key and secret key for this user so that we can access this queue. So we'll just click on this queue user and you can see on the right side in the access key one, just you can see this option create access key. So we simply click on this create access key button and here we can see select third party services and we need to check this box. So and click next. This description tag is optional, so currently we just leave it as is and we'll just simply create the access key. So you can see this access key and secret key is created. You will just copy this here in our notepad because we need it in future. So we'll just store it here and this secret key also. So we'll just copy the secret key as well. And after this uh, according to your need you can download the CSV file as well. In the CSV file you can see this your this is your secret key and the second one is the access key of yours. So you can see it and just click on done. So now we got the URL endpoint which is this one to send the message to our queue. This one is the access key and this one is the secret key. So this is for authorization. So we just simply go on our Postman. In the authorization tab we'll simply select AWS, type to AWS signature. You can see the AWS signature and here you will get the option to quit the secret key and access key. We just simply copy paste the secret key and access key here. and in the advanced configuration you need to give the your region name. So my region is US East 1. If you don't know the region, you can simply find it in your SQS queue URL, this one SQS dot US East 1. So this will be a region US East 1, and the service name is SQS. As we are using SQS, the service name will be SQS. And in this headers type, we need to select the content type as a application slash x www form URL encoded. This one is important. This connection type should be selected, and in the body section we have to select this x www form URL encoded, and you have to provide the two values here. First one is the action, and second one is the message body. Action will be send message, as we are sending the message, and message body will be the message you want to send to the SQS. So I'll send first hi. So we'll try. And one thing, and one more thing, the method will be the post, and the URL will be the queue URL. This one, our queue URL. So we'll just queue URL here. And if you see here, we got the status as a 200. That means the message is sent, and this will be the response that our queue is provided. So we just go to our queue. So, and we can check the message is there in the queue or not. So we'll just head over to our queue. We'll go to our sample queue here. We just need to click on send and receive message. After that, if you go downwards, you will see this option poll for messages. We just click on this, and you can see this one message is here. It's hi. Yeah. And according to your need, you can send JSON message as well. So here I have one JSON. I'll try to send it. You can send any message from this Postman to the our SQS. So we'll just cross check here, and you can see this was a one of the message I just have sent. Yeah.